we're finally going to get to wash the Vectra. Mainly because I've got a hose pipe that actually reaches now, kind of. And I've got a jet wash. Well, I've had a jet wash all along, but never had a hose pipe. So we're actually going to wash the car. So let's have a quick look at how bad it actually is. And I will let you know now, it's freaking windy. Hey guys, so in this video, obviously we're going to wash the car for the first time ever. I only got time to do the outside, so I'm going to give it my go of trying to wash it the best I can. And you guys can give me tips or whatever. I'm probably going to do a shit job, let's be honest, but you know, I don't like washing cars, but we're going to give it a go. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and, you know, enjoy. Oh my god. It's freaking dirty. Freaking ridiculous. It's not any better when I go inside the car either. Just look, it's still not amazing in there. Anyway, I'm going to concentrate on the outside today. I'll never get tired of that. So that's my hose pipe over at the moment, which I've tucked over from the back of the house. So put my light on. Oh, my light was already on. I already left it on. Not good. There is my jet wash. Awesome. Kartcher. I think the lancers on it. Yeah, the lancers are on the back. Awesome. Then I need an extension lead for it. And somewhere in this garage, I've also got like a soap dispenser bit that goes on the end, but right now I've got no idea where it is. I think I should think myself lucky that I've got a freaking hose pipe. Oh, and look! Is that a VXR steering wheel? Spoiler alert for another video! Spoiler alert! Ah! I need to find my soap thing. So what I'm going to do is rinse it up without a lance, just to get it wet. And then I'm going to use some soap and stuff and have a go. I can't find my bit that goes on which squirts the soap, so I need to get a new one of them or find it in the garage. So I'm going to employ the 2 bucket method, although I don't know if I want to do it right. So I have a bucket which I'll be washing the mitt in, as in to get it soapy, and then I'll fill that with fresh water, and that's when I'm going to rinse it, then go back to that one soapy. Got no idea, never done it before, but people have told me I should do it. So, 2 bucket method. So what I've got is a bucket of clean, and I'll fill it up with water. Oh crap, so I'm going to lid on. Clean water in a minute. And I'm using the autoglym pure shampoo, which sounds freaking sounds awesome, smells awesome if I'm honest. That's what I'm going to be using. Currently, excuse the wind guys, in soap, and it's just going to dry off in a minute, and I can see bits I've missed. I'm just going to quickly soak the alloys with Wonder Wheels, purple stuff, and then I'm going to go back and get the bits I've missed, like on that door there. Any of you who don't know, Wonder Wheel stinks. Does an amazing job at getting rid of stuff. It's really, really, really good job. Get in your eyes or in your face or your mouth or like that, guys. I'm going to leave it a few minutes and we'll come back to it.
Started to fall, and where were you?
Excuse the wind if you can hear any, guys. But here is the finished product. Speaking of products, we've used the autoglym car shampoo, the one that's like a berry smell. We've used Wonder Wheels for the wheels, and I think you'll agree they'd come up amazing. Partly because I've used a pressure washer as well. And then I used the Maguires microfiber towel to dry it off. Now, I'm not amazing at washing cars. There are probably bits I've missed. There's probably things I've done wrong. But for its first wash since I've had it, I'm quite impressed. It's come up pretty good. But yeah, there are bits I've missed. Like, put my finger in there. I took my finger like that. Again, I'm not amazing. I will get better. Anyone who knows me will tell you I don't like washing cars. But she does look good, and she does look good clean, that's for sure. We've washed the car best I can. If there's anything you would have done different, let me know. If there's any products you'd recommend or anything like that, especially for black cars, leave a comment, you know, down there in the box and the below, and let me know what you think. But yeah, this is what we've done today. So thank you very much for watching. We've got the interior to do in another video, but I'm going to be doing the interior. I've got all the new boot carpet and that to do, so I'm going to do the interior and clean all that out at the same time, put the carpets in, so that'll come in another video very soon. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, as always guys. Make sure you leave some love, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Thanks guys. Don't forget to check out the garage build, and I'm starting a new series on a toolbox build as well. Make sure you check them out. Tell your friends. I'll see you soon. Thanks guys. Bye. Power!